Are you sometimes uncertain about the future and struggle making decisions? What if there was a proven and tested, universal system of archetypal wisdom that could guide you and reveal to you the secrets of life? Such a system does indeed exist, but it has been hidden from you under a veil of misinformation. Organizations such as the Church, who wanted to maintain their power, have banned it. The famous psychologist Carl Gustav Jung has discovered and rediscovered part of the key, but mainstream psychology prevented this knowledge from becoming commonly available. Did you know that there is a secret tradition of wisdom teachings that goes back to some of the wisest people in human history? That includes amongst its students people such as Newton, Paracelsus, Nostradamus, Goethe, and Yeats? Parts of this tradition can be traced back to the times of the early prophets. You have heard about that system, but perhaps you didn't recognize it for what it was, for its true potential. Many people are led to believe that this system is a mere superstition, and in fact, even amongst those who know about it, most people only scratch on the surface and are deceived by misinformation and half-truths. This system is a book of wisdom that was hidden and disguised as a system of amusement, as mere playing cards, or abused as a superstitious tool of fortune-telling by gypsy women, who perhaps were utterly ignorant of the deep wisdom hidden therein. Of course, you have heard about this ancient book of wisdom, commonly known as the Tarot. Of course, you have at some point thought it to be used for gypsy fortune-telling. Are you ready to look beyond the surface and learn about its deeper significance? Click on the link in the description to get immediate free access to a 2-hour lecture.